Issey Miyake was a Japanese fashion designer known for his technology-driven clothing designs, exhibitions, and fragrances. Homme Plissé Issey Miyake was created for the modern man's lifestyle with the intent to liberate the way they dress. Issey Miyake and his team had been researching pleating since 1988, and the brand was established in 2013. Designed for people to mix and match in any way to express their originality, the garments are lightweight, comfortable, and wrinkle-resistant. They can also be stored and carried in compact sizes. The question is, will such an unique texture be versatile enough for any wardrobe? To answer that, I will be showing some examples of how I mix this pair of pleated trousers into my daily looks. Then you can decide whether you should get a pair for yourself. The easiest way to style a garment with such a robust texture is to wear it with similarly toned items. This way, the texture differences will be united through the tone and create less visual conflict. Since the tone is consistent, the pleated detail of these pants will easily stand out, becoming the highlight of the look. Here I'm pairing the pants with a white graphic t-shirt, off-white Suede trucker jacket, and white leather sneakers. The muted look seems to be understated at first sight, but it's full of textural details. This is a perfect weekend casual look for spring and fall that I can throw on to get coffee but still be comfortable. The relaxed fit and lightweight material of these trousers make a great option for transitional seasons but not for winter. The fabric is way too thin to provide enough warmth, and the chill wind will blow right through it. We just talked about how to use similar tones to create a muted look with these pants, but now let's try the opposite, creating contrast. But not just any type of contrast. We are aiming to create contrast in such a way that can still tie all the pieces together harmoniously. Here I have a plain black tee to set the brightness contrast against the light gray trousers. This monochrome base is dramatic but not conflicting. Then I'm adding some colors to this base, a tan western shirt and a pair of leather sneakers in taupe, both neutral tones. Though there seem to be a lot of different shades in this look, none are sticking out of the system I have built. Now let's switch out the western shirt with a brownish olive-toned overcoat for cooler days, this time pairing with some sportier trainers for maximum confidence. Even though the specific items are different, these two looks have pretty much identical color palettes. The key to creating a contrasting outfit that still looks visually comfortable is to offset the contrasting items with neutral colors. That's also why I chose to do a contrast in brightness rather than color. Yet again, as I always say, having a wardrobe that's built systematically with neutral colors can maximize the versatility of each individual piece of clothing in it. Even when you have got a pair of trousers that has such a unique and robust texture such as these. Personally, I find it hard to label these pleated trousers as either formal or casual, but exploring the possibilities of them has been a fun experiment ever since I bought them. At first, I was questioning whether to wear these trousers with a dress shirt. However, just like I used the neutral tones to offset the previous contrasting look, I can find something to play a similar role here. In this case, it's a zip-up hoodie. Wearing a hoodie over a dress shirt is an all-time classic combination for a sport casual look. It's also got a little twist of smart casual in it. This sounds exactly like how I feel about these Issey Miyake pants. Because of the extremely strong design language, it can be a bit difficult to build visual connections to the rest of your wardrobe. That is, unless you wear a full outfit from neck to toe, all in the same pleated style from Homme Plissé Issey Miyake. I didn't really want to do that, and that's one reason why I had waited until now to purchase my first pair. For this specific look, I chose a dark navy zip-up hoodie from Thom Browne as the centerpiece. Because of the darker color as well as the bold forebar detail, it becomes the statement piece whenever I'm wearing it. This actually helps to tone down the basic texture from the trousers and make them less visibly prominent. And the reason I chose a zip-up hoodie instead of an overhead hoodie is to create one more visible layer to add some dimension to the outfit. This is a perfect look for a weekend outing, a casual party, or when exploring new places. There are a couple of reasons why I'm including an essential look in this video as the last example to talk about this pair of pants designed by Issey Miyake. If I were wearing a black mock turtleneck, you may think it would make sense for me to mention that Steve Jobs is among many of Issey Miyake's famous fans. The simple and minimal aesthetic of Miyake's designs are known for having a sensible, no-nonsense style that is meant to appeal to wearers of any age or size. Wearing his design is like water in different vessels. It becomes you the moment you put it on. Even with such a basic look, these pleated trousers can help elevate your overall style in a subtle way. Pairing with some accessories for extra details, this is the type of look I would feel happy to become my signature look. Comfortable and effortlessly stylish. The iconic pleats are more than just a style language, but an example of possibilities embedded within simplicity. It's hard to design something timeless, but I think Miyake's pleats definitely count as such. Simple, but not lacking intention, his legacy will continue to influence many generations.